Welcome to MVS Wood Products. On today's video, instead of dealing with this pile of lumber here, I think we're gonna go ahead and try and take care of some of the to-do lists here. I've got a couple of outstanding orders, so I think we'll do some fir today. Let's do fir. We've got 6 by 8s and 8, yeah, about 14 6 by 8s to do here, various lengths, about 80 inches long. So I think what we'll do is we will use this dry fir log here. It's pretty big. Inches. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll have a bunch of
four
excess.
of them we'll cut in half and make our 40 inches.
Okay.
The rest are going to stay almost full length.
Okay. Well, that should give us something to work with, because if we stay away from the heart, we get better wood here.
Yeah.
So these will make 1, 2, 3, 4 easily. At least probably 4 on that side. Could probably do a couple up here too.
Yeah, I might be able to get one out of
yeah.
here.
I think what I'll do is I'll just rip it down the heart.
Okay.
I'll just hit the heart. Yeah, I'll probably do one cut here, give you this piece. And while you're working on that, I might do another cut this way.
Yeah.
On this. Yeah, this mask kind of fogged up on me.
Yeah.
I don't know if I got a full seal on it, because I don't think it's sealed on my hat.
Well,
We got some tear out there.
I
Oops.
didn't think it would
New type of benches, eh?
tear like that.
New type of benches? Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
That actually looks
That's
really
pretty comfy, actually. So it's the next day, or in YouTube land it's the next day. It's actually been an entire weekend and it snowed a bit. But this is what we've pulled off that dry log, and we're just gonna sort it out and see what makes the grade. last cut there, it dove down and made a mess here. You can see where it took off. A little blade swap.
A bit heavier than the other ones, probably.
Yeah.
Not too bad though.
No. Since we have so many people here today, maybe we will plane it today. Let's throw it on this pile here. Yeah. Sweet. Hopefully we have enough that can plane off. They're all like full 6 by full 8, and they're getting finished at 7.5 by 5.5. So there's tons to take off, which means we'll have to run it through a couple times each side. Okay, they're all kind of just under 6. That one's 6 inches. And they're getting finished down to 5.5. So let's pull a hard 1/4 inch off.
Is that dense wood or dense? I'm gonna lift it though.
We'll flip it over on the next pass, and then we'll have a next phase.
this one?
Yeah, so that's a little bit greener. It might shrink. These ones are all very dry. They will not shrink.